Hello everybody, my name is Will Trice and I make videos here on YouTube, and today I want to teach you guys how to make some money out of your mobile phones. I'll be teaching you 7 different ways of making money from your own mobile phone while you are locked down at home. The first way to make some money on your mobile phone is the kind of the easiest, and I know pretty much almost all the teenagers, young adults have this app in their phone, which is using Instagram. And there are a lot of ways of making money from Instagram, and I'll tell you how you can do that on your own mobile phone at zero initial cost. So on Instagram, you can make some money through affiliate marketing. It's pretty much easy process of making money in Instagram. Another way of making money from Instagram without a huge following is by editing other people's photos so that they can upload on Instagram. So how does this work? You create good photos for different people, and then you edit them, you color grade them, and all those funny stuff. You do all those things and you can get some money on the table. Another way of making money on Instagram is by growing an Instagram account and then later selling it to someone when it has a lot of followers. So this is a way some people make money through Instagram. So the second way on how you guys can make some money out of your own mobile phones is through Fiverr. Well, Fiverr is a website and app where you can make some money through offering digital services. Let me explain. If you are good at photo editing or video editing, marketing, web designing, mobile app development, graphic designs and digital drawings, making 3D or 2D models, making translations, making voiceovers, music, making beats, all those things, writing content for different people. If you have any skill in one of the things I did mention, then Fiverr is a good place to go launch your new business. It's not only those things which I mentioned. I only mentioned things which I pretty much know and sure of that there are a lot of people making money on Fiverr using those things, and I know there are a whole more opportunities over there. It's better you do your own research and you look at your own niche of what you really know best and what you can offer on Fiverr. A third way of making money out of your own mobile phone is selling stock photos, selling stock images. So how do you make money selling stock images? There are a whole bunch of websites out there that are willing to pay you money if you sell them stock images, original content. So how can you monetize this using your mobile phone? You can pretty much take some pictures on your mobile phone of objects or surroundings or whatever you see that is beautiful in your house, outside your house. It depends on where you are. Like if you are locked down in your house, obviously it should be in your house, and you can sell some stock photos on those websites. Okay, so the best way to sell stock images is by using a third-party website like iStock Photos, Dreamstime, Shutterstock, Getty Images. Those are pretty much the websites that I know personally that you can make some money out of selling stock images. Okay, so you can pretty much take cat photos, take flower photos, or whatever you just feel like is beautiful, is good in your eyes, and sell those stock images on those websites or some other websites where they buy stock photos. Okay, the fourth thing on this list, guess what it is? What I'm doing right now, posting videos on YouTube. Okay, so how can you make some money out of YouTube? Currently, right now, my channel is not monetized because you guys are not subscribed. So please do subscribe right now and like this video. It will help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And let me teach you how you can also make some money out of YouTube. Okay, you can start a YouTube channel, start posting videos, and encourage people to subscribe to your channel, gain 1,000 subscribers. Then you will qualify to become a YouTube partner, which is pretty much kind of easy, but it kind of takes a long time. And the fifth thing of how you can make some money out of your own mobile phone is through digital trading. So how you can trade on your own mobile phone, you need to find a broker or trading platform which you can use to trade some money. Okay, so when it comes to trading, you pretty much only buy and sell stocks. I don't do trading, but I know a lot of people who do trading and they make a whole bunch of money through trading. But before you start trading, you should practice before you deposit any money into your trading account. Trading is a pretty much good way of making some money, and there are a lot of people becoming millionaires just because of this trading thing. So you can do that on your own mobile phone, just at home. No need to go anywhere. You just do that, become a trader, make some money, and you'll be fine. Okay, the sixth way of how you can make some money out of your own mobile phone is by running a website. Okay, so how do you make money by running a website? So there are a whole bunch of ways on how you can monetize a website, but this is the number one way most people start with. Okay, so how do you make money from a website? It is by attracting a lot of audience to your website. And the other way of making money through websites is by doing affiliate marketing and using affiliate links. The other way of making money through your websites is by selling ad space on your website. And there are a whole lot of companies, agencies, and multi-million businesses willing to pay some money for websites. And it's a good way to make some money out of it. Seventh way of how you can make money out of your mobile phone is through an app, an everyday app that most people use. Is get through WhatsApp. Okay, so how can you make some money through WhatsApp? Before we go into how you can make some money through WhatsApp, I just want you to take a moment and subscribe to the channel and like the video. And let me tell you how you can make some money through WhatsApp. Okay, so there are two ways on how people can make money through WhatsApp that I know. Okay, so the first way of making money through WhatsApp is through affiliate links, and then the second way is through promoting apps. Let me start affiliate links. So if you have been a WhatsApp user for a while, you pretty much have seen these kind of messages which end in these words.
Share this message to 15 people in 4 groups. What.
Okay, so these people most of the times would put a link somewhere in that message, and those people are not doing those things for free. Trust me. How do they make money out of those messages? This is how it works. So your friend would send you that message, you send it to 15 people, or maybe more than that, you send it to a group or groups. Then that message keeps on spreading on its own. What happens to the link? The link stays there. Wherever the message goes, the link stays there, and that person would obviously make a way to get you click that link and go to their website or whatever the link is leading you to. So that is how people are making money through WhatsApp. And how do you make money through those links? So the first thing which you need to do if you want to make money through those links is get an affiliated link to a website, to an app, or to a product that somebody is selling, or to something. Just be affiliated to that link and you will make money if more people are following that link. And then the second way of making money through WhatsApp is by promoting apps. Okay, so by promoting apps, you would see these funny things of, you start using an app, they would say share this app to how many people, share this, and all those funny things. So how would you monetize this way of promoting apps? So you just need to get your own link of using that app, and then find ways on how you can spread it and share it to your friends, so that your friends will share it to their cousins, family, friends, and all those things. So that is pretty much the way of how you can make some money through WhatsApp on your own mobile device. It's an easy way. I've tried it out on my own and it worked. So I really recommend it to you guys. During this lockdown, you can make some money out of your own mobile phones through WhatsApp. And then the good part about this WhatsApp business is that you don't have to control the links, the message, once you are done with it, because what happens is people will be sharing it time and again. And how will you make sure that people share this message? Is by using mind tricking techniques on how you will make sure that if a person reads this message, it's obvious that this person is more likely to share this message. So it's a good way of how you can make some money out of your mobile phone. So guys, that is it for the video. That is the end of this video. And before you click away, I would just want to tell you guys that if you want to grow your business, I would recommend that you stay subscribed to this channel, because I talk about business, personal finances, self-development, filmmaking. If you are interested in any of those categories, please do consider subscribing, and I will help you out on how you can do different things. So that is it. My name is Will Price, and I'll see you in the next video.